Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tip Top Tips, where we provide top tips for a tip-top you.
So our mission is to educate and entertain. I'm Ice.
And I'm Jem. In our last episode, discuss namin yung blockchain and yung properties niya.
Definitions nun, ano ba, what is crypto, etc. And this time, we'll delve into the real-world applications of blockchain.
Currently kasi, ang application ng blockchain yun is the store of value through the use of cryptocurrencies.
Yan, so nauso yung mga crypto exchanges, ICOs, kasi parang funding lang siya, basically.
Yes. And sikat na sikat ang Bitcoin. Diba? But if you look at the properties that we described in our last video, makikita nyo na ang dami-daming pwedeng applications ng blockchain technology.
Ano properties ba ng blockchain?
Okay, so reduced costs dahil wala nang middleman, wala nang babayaran ng transfer fees, at dahil walang middleman, mas mabilis na siya. And yun nga, transparent siya kasi everyone in the network can see the transactions happening within the blockchain. So yung functionality na tong blockchain has been expanded through the use of smart contracts. So these are digital contracts. So yung provisions ng contract are encoded within the system. So what happens is, dahil naka-encode yung provisions ng contract, it is automatically given effect.
Yan. So example nito, di ba, ang lumang contract is, sign ako, tapos pipirma ka, each time may copy ng contract. Tapos, for example, ang naisip kong use case is sa music industry. Kasi ang isang kanta, di ba, ang daming pinagdadaanan eh. Like, may, hindi lang singer, may composer,
Producer,
tapos publisher, may distributor, or something. Ang daming nangyayari, no? Tapos, ang mahirap dyan, kunwari, may percentage ka. Kunwari, 10% sa'yo, 10% sa akin, tapos siya meron din. Paano ko may ensure, bilang makakatanggap ako ng 10%, na tama din yung percentage na napunta sa akin, di ba? Papasok ngayon yung blockchain. Tapos may ibang artists pa na matagal mabayaran, ganyan. So, ang hirap i-verify. With smart contracts, automatically nasi-split yung payments and mabilis ko makakuha yung transfer of funds.
So yun, yung mga advantages na sinabi natin kanina, reduced cost, speed,
and transparency. Kasi before, centralized yung data sa record companies and siya lang makakaalam. But this time, ikaw as artist, confident ka, kampante ka na tama yung nakuha mo. So that way, as an artist, mas may engganyo ka to produce better content. Okay, so isa pang use case na nangyayari na ngayon is yung remittances. Alam naman natin kung gaano karaming OFWs and kung gaano kalaki yung nakakontribute nila sa economy.
Yeah.
In a year, siguro ang contribution, nagta-transfer sila ng around $28 billion. So, ang laking transactions. And imagine, nire-remit nila to through remittance centers or banks, which takes days, pwedeng 3 to 5 days bago makarating dun sa tao. Tapos, bawas na yun ng malaki. Sa dami nung pinagdaanan ng pera. And so, pwedeng nabawasan yun by 10%. So, sayang din yung pinaghirapan mo, di ba? With Bitcoin or blockchain, instant na yung padala, tapos yung transaction fee around 0 to 1% na lang. So, ang laki ng savings. Okay.
So another use case for blockchain is land titles and other records. So in the Philippines, the best proof of land ownership kasi is the certificate of title. But yung problem kasi dito sa certificate of title na to, pwede siyang matamper, pwede siyang madaya in the sense na, for example, ako meron akong lupa, binenta ko siya simultaneously sa dalawang magkaibang tao. Then another disadvantage of this is that yung sa Registry of Deeds, physical yung copies nila. So, it's prone to destruction. For example, nasunog or may nangyayari dun sa Registry of Deeds, sira yung title. So, actually,
diba dati may bagyo, tapos nagba-blow dry sila ng records. Kasi nasira nga. So, yun yung mga ina-avoid natin.
Madaming cases ng mga landowners na they have to file for reconstitution of title para lang ma-revive nila yung nawala or nasirang records. So with blockchain technology, yung titles will be put in a distributed ledger. So hindi na siya pwedeng dayain. For example, nagbenta ka, may record na kagad sa blockchain na binenta mo siya dito sa taong to. So hindi mo na siya pwedeng ibenta for a second time to a different person. And then...
and ako as buyer, mabe-verify ko kung totoo nga yung binibenta mo sa akin.
So hindi ka na pwede mag-present ng fake na land title. And then, in case of destruction of records, it's easy to pull out the records from the blockchain. This principle also applies to other records. For example, yung medical records, school records, pwede mo na siya i-verify ngayon through blockchain. So for example, magkasubmit ng transcript of record yung apply na empleyado. The companies can easily verify na totoo bang pumasok siya sa eskwelahan na to, ito ba talaga yung grades niya. And then for medical records,
ako na-experience ko yun, so nagpapacheck up ako. Tapos si first doctor, sabi niya, mag-lab ka. So pakuha ang dugo, ganyan, tapos may findings. Pero kunwari, gusto ko pa ng second opinion, pupunta ako sa ibang doctor. Tapos papalab test niya na naman ako kasi ayaw nga niya tangkapin yung record ng isang doctor kasi syempre sa kanya, ito yung trusted lab ko, kailangan magpa-check ka dito. So ulit na naman. So yung fees ko doble na nga. sayang pa yung oras ko. Kung meron ng blockchain, imagine may single record, single point of truth na lang, na yun na yung basihan ng lahat ng tao. So, yung isang pinaka-exciting na use case pa for me is elections. Malapit na ba elections?
2019.
So imagine, dati, di ba ang typical way of elections is may manual, check ko, tapos papadala yung ballot box from province to the city. So in the middle, bigla minsan nawawala, nananakaw, or minsan sa pagbilang itself, may mga corruption, pandadaya, and syempre prone to human error. Tapos dati, takes months para mabilang and ma-verify pa nila ulit. Tapos pag may nag-complain na nadaya ako, mag-recount na naman. Ulit na naman. So, ang naging solusyon dyan was yung automated na elections. Ang problem naman dyan is, meron pa rin nagko-complain na nadaya sila and there's no way to verify. Recount mo na naman or minsan check nila yung code back-end kung natamper ba yung code. And syempre wala kang record kung natamper yung code or mahirap lang talaga i-verify. So, with blockchain technology, transparent yun. Pwedeng real-time actually as it happens. Pagka-boto ko, kita mo na. Parang panoorin mo na kung ano yung result, diba? Yung tally. Tapos, you're sure na hindi matatamper yung records.
Another use case for blockchain is yung supply chain management. Pag-supply ng goods, natatrack yung lahat ng pinagdadaanan ng goods. For example, from distributor, supplier, and so on.
Isa pa yun, no? Kasi ang haba rin ng supply chain na naman. May issue ng peke. Paano mo malalaman na totoong bag yung binili mo?
So, pwede mo i-trace yung supply chain niya. Trace mo kung totoong nanggaling ba siya doon sa actual supplier nung, for example, ng bag na yun. For food naman and for medicine, it's easy to trace yung freshness niya, kung saan siya pinroduce, saan siya pinrocess.
Diba, uso ngayon yung organic, being healthy, ganyan. Gusto mo, totoong organic talaga. So, at least with blockchain, makikita mo saan siya ginawa.
At hindi bastang kinlaim na organic lang. So, this same principle applies sa donations during calamities. So, for example, ako gusto kong mag-donate ng pera. After mo siyang ibigay dun sa nangongolekta ng donations, hindi mo na nakikita kung saan napupunta yung pera ang dinonate mo. If ilalagay yung donation system na yan sa blockchain, pwede mo na i-trace kung talagang nakarating ba siya dun sa dapat niyang puntahan or kung kailan na i-distribute. So, pinabibilis niya and it eliminates yung pandadaya dun sa process. Yan. So those are only a few of the numerous other possible use cases for blockchain. The blockchain technology, medyo nasa younger stage pa siya. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung maximum potential niya. But we're on our way there. Sabi nga ni ICE, madami ng ICOs, so nagpo-fundraise na yung companies para makapag-develop na sila. So abangan natin kung saan papunta yung mga ICOs na yun.
So for me, it's, I think, really useful kung ma-apply talaga siya. And it will change how industries usually operate. Yan, so that's it for today's episode. Stay tuned, guys. If you guys have any questions or clarifications, feel free to leave a comment or email us at asktiptop@gmail.com.
So we hope you learned something new today.
And also, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.
Yeah, and share it with your friends. That's it.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.